Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of AI and neural interfaces, but with a twist. We're looking at some of the most surprising and unexpected fails in this cutting-edge technology. So buckle up as we explore some of the biggest oops moments in the world of neural interfaces. Those unexpected glitches, public mishaps, and ethical dilemmas that reveal just how complex and challenging it is to bridge the gap between human brains and artificial intelligence. Remember that Neuralink demo back in 2020? You know, the one with Gertrude the pig? It was hyped up as a major breakthrough. Elon Musk himself took the stage, promising a future where we could control devices with our minds, treat neurological disorders, and even enhance our cognitive abilities. The demo showcased Gertrude wearing Neuralink's implant, with the hope of demonstrating real-time neural activity as the pig interacted with its surroundings. While the demo did show some neural activity, it wasn't exactly the mind-blowing spectacle many were expecting. The signals were noisy, the connection was laggy, and it wasn't always clear what Gertrude was thinking or feeling based on the data displayed on the screen. It also highlighted the immense challenges of developing a reliable and safe neural interface for humans. Facebook, or Meta, as they're now known, has also been dabbling in the world of brain-computer interfaces. Back in 2019, they made headlines with their ambitious project to develop a non-invasive device capable of allowing users to type with their minds. The project aimed to use optical imaging techniques to measure brain activity and translate those signals into text. Essentially, they wanted to create a wearable device that could read your mind without the need for invasive surgery. However, in a surprising turn of events, Facebook announced in 2021 that they were scaling back their efforts on this particular project. Translating complex thoughts and intentions into text using only external sensors proved to be a far greater challenge than initially anticipated. It also raised questions about the potential privacy implications of such technology, given Facebook's history with user data. Chapter 3. DARPA's Brain-Machine Interface, Unforeseen Consequences. DARPA has heavily invested in brain-machine interfaces for military applications. Research includes prosthetic limbs controlled by thought and memory restoration devices, a brain